Be still. Before the first word, there was breath. Breathe in. The breath is given. Breathe out. The breath returns. Neshama. The soul is the breath. Breathe in. Receive. Breathe out. Release. Emmy. The breath carries the spirit. Let the body remember what it has always known. Breathe in. You are held. Breathe out. You are home. The name of the divine is not spoken. It is breathed through you. You have never been separate. You are the breath between worlds.